All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Bass Face by DH Plugins, free for a limited time. I'm not sure how long it is. It's kind of like a one knob, even though there's more than one knob here. But this is the main knob, and we have three different kinds of effects. We're gonna go here. We have a high, low cut. We got a clip, and then we have an extra, and this is for the modulation effect. And then we have the output volume right here. And over here, there's a please subscribe and like button to this video. So type 1 here is a general presence, space, and subtle modulation. Type 2 is saturation, presence, space, and a subtle modulation. And type 3 is drive, present, and subtle modulation. And then the clip adds a no-frills hard clipper to the end of the signal chain and extra boosts the special modulation effects. So let's take a listen to these things. This thing. The signal coming through is going to be a bass part, and we'll bypass it first and just start adding it in, and then we'll go through some other sounds with different instruments. Let's throw it on these drums and see what happens. Very cool indeed. On this beat here. So pretty cool. Check it out. There'll be links down in the video description below. Please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you soon.